So a question from June 13, variant 12. Okay, the first term is 12. So the part A is about AP. We must be very clear which progression is this. So A is 12. The last term is 48. So I would be noting it down as AN, that is equal to 48. Or I can write it as this is A plus N minus 1 into D. So since I have A, so I can use that. So that is 12 plus N minus 1 into D, that is 48. So N minus 1 into D is going to be 36. So, so we have A, we have another relation between N and D over here. The sum of the first four terms is 57. So S4 is 57. Now S4 is going to be, the formula for the Sn is n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so S4 is 57. So I'm just going to say that from here, this n is 4. So 4 over 2 into 2a, that is 24. And I have this n minus 1 into d with me, that is 36. Yeah, that is 36. Oh, I have to find the number of terms. So, number of terms. The last term that I have, the sum we have. So that would just be giving us the, yeah. Achha, n minus 1, this n minus 1 would become, yes, if it is the sum of the first four terms, so what would be n minus 1? 3. Okay, this will be 3d. That is equal to 57. So, so this was not required to use all of this n minus 1 into d. Okay, now this is going to be 2 times 2, that is 4. So this is 48 plus 6d, that is equal to 57. 6d is equal to, um, what is this, minus 9? Sorry, just 9. And your d is 1.5. Okay, so you put your d over here. So that is n minus 1 into 1.5, that is equal to 36. And this n minus 1 is going to be, what is 36 over 1.5? That is 24. So we have this n is equal to 25. So that is what we have to find. So you see, you have to manipulate all these, I mean, equations, forming equations to the formulas, to the given information, and then eventually reaching to the required thing. So n is going to be 25. That was the question. You had to find the number of terms here. Any question? So if your key to success is your skills on algebra, okay? If you're good at algebra, you will really be happy doing all this work. Okay. Now moving to the B part. Okay. The third term of a GP is 4 times the first term. Can I say AR squared is equal to 4A? Yes. The third term of a GP is 4 times the first term. So that means your R squared is equal to 4. So this R can be plus minus 2. Okay. The sum of the first 6 terms is K times the first term. Now the formula for the sum over here is Sn is A into R raised to power n minus 1 over R minus 1. So now we have two values of R over here. R is either 2 and R is minus 2. That is by saying find the possible values of K. You had a question like this yesterday in your test as well, okay? So you will be using these two different values of R into this. So sum of the first six terms. So S6 is K times the first term, that is K times A. Okay. So I will, when I use this R as 2, I'll be using this formula. And for minus 2, I'll use this formula. Remember? Okay, beta. Okay. I use this black now. So S6 is going to be A. We don't have this A. The background is basically very dark, so that is why we're having problems. Okay. So this A. R is 2 raised to power 6 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. That is Ka. So A's are cancelled. So this is going to be the first value of your K. And secondly, this again A into 1 minus 2 raised to power 6 over 1 minus 2, that is Ka. Again, the A's will be cancelled and you will have to use your calculator to find these two values of K. Yeah, what is 1? And so you get 63 from here and minus 21 from here. This is all your algebra, okay? And the good thing is that the formulas will be there in your formula sheet, but if you know them by heart, that can really be a great thing.